Hi students, let us go with our new problem in application of derivatives from the subtopic of maximum and minimum. Okay, maxima and minimum. Okay, now it is one of the important problem. From a rectangular sheet of dimensions 30 and 80 centimeters like this. Let us observe. Okay, 30 and 80 centimeters. 4 equal squares of side x centimeters are removed. 4 equal sides are removed like this. Okay, x centimeters removing. Okay, like this. Actually, it is a length of 80 centimeters. Okay, now breadth is a 30. After removing, now this one becomes as a, now it is nothing but box. The removed one x becomes as a height. Let observe, it is a given sheet 80 centimeters into 30 centimeters. After removing 4 sides like this, x centimeters removed, and that one what given, then turned up so as to form an open rectangular box. After removing, then turned up as a like this. Okay, like this. Now here that one becomes like this, breadth becomes as a, okay. Now here big, okay, the shape is nothing but the rectangular sheet becomes as a like box. Okay, this box, the rectangular shape become as a box. Okay, now the x centimeters as nothing but h. Now length is 80 minus 2 x, yes or no, centimeters. X removed, yes or no. Now the breadth 30 minus 2x. Okay, breadth is nothing but 30 minus 2x, x removed. Okay, now is the length, breadth, x is nothing but h, height. Let us go with our solution. Let length of box L equals to 80 minus 2x centimeters, yes or no. Okay, and breadth of box B equals to 30 minus 2x centimeters. Okay, finally height of the box, height of box equals to, then the height is nothing but x, h equals to x equals to h. Okay, actually we need what? Find the value of x so that the value of the box is the greatest. Then we need the value, for value one of the function. The function should be, the second derivative of function should be what? Greatest means less than 0. Suppose f double dash of x less than 0. We have to show this one. Okay, and also we can finding the value of x. Let the value of x, sorry, the value of box should be v equals to LBH. Okay, now v is nothing but function in x, then f of x equals to L in x is 80 minus 2x, and b is a 30 minus 2x, and h is nothing but x, yes or no, x centimeters. Okay, h equals to x. Let multiply 80 into 30, 2400 minus 80 into 2400 into x, 80 into 2x, 160 x and also 1x, x square, minus 2x into 30, minus 60 x and x square, minus 2x into minus 2x, plus 4x square and x cube. Okay, now it is a f of x. Let's simplify here. F of x equals to, now 4x cube minus 220 x square plus 2400 x. Yes, it is a f of x. Sorry, f of x. Let then we need f dash of x for x value. Okay, f dash means now it is a 12 x square. Sorry, no, x cube is nothing but 3x square. It one becomes as 12x square minus 220 x square differentiation is a 2x 440x plus 2400. Okay, then for x value f dash of x equals to 0. Let take 0. Then 12x square minus 440. Let x plus 2400 equals to 0. All are 4 multiples, yes or no? 4 3s are 4 110s are plus 4 600 is a 0. Okay. Now it is a quadratic equation in x. Now for splitting 3 into 600 here. Now how to get to 110? Then observe 3 into 20 into 30. 3 is 90 into 20, yes or no? 90 plus 20, 110. Okay. Let 3x square minus 90x minus 20x plus 600 equals 0. Then 3x common, x minus 30, yes, minus 20 common, x minus 30 equals 0. Then x minus 30 and 3x minus 20 equals to 0. X minus 30 equals 0. Then 3x minus 20 equals 0. Then x equals to 30 and or x equals to 20 by 3. Okay. Let here which one is a right value to take? Let us check it. We know x equals, if x equals to 30, if x equals to 30, let observe b equals what? 30 minus 2x, yes or no? Substitute here 30 minus 2 into 30 equals to 30 minus 60 is a minus 30 is a less than 0. Okay, it is observed because of b value, it is observed, it is not possible. So that's because of width is always positive, yes or no? We need positive value. Okay, that's why definitely x equals to, therefore x equals to 20 by 3 is our actual value, 20 by 3. Then we have to use x equals to 20 by 3. F dash x is over. Now what about f dash double dash of x? Already we have f dash of x equals this one. Then f double dash of x equals to what? Let 24x, 2x into 12, 24x. Now it is a 440. Now if x equals to, put x equals to 20 by 3. Let f double dash of x equals to 24 into 20 by 3 minus 440. Okay. Now 3 is the LCM. 24 into 24, 80 minus 3 into 440. Yes or no? 3 0, 3 4 is 12, 3 4 is 12 plus 130. Okay. Then 30 20 by minus 480. 0 13 20 480. 0 4 L 12 8 minus 840 by 3. Okay. Now definitely is a minus, no need to simplify it, is less than 0. Okay. F double dash of x less than 0 at what? At x equals to 20 by 3. At x equals to 20 by 3. F, then f of x is a, then f of x is maximum. F of x means volume of box. Therefore, the volume of box is greatest. Okay, at what? At x equals to 20/3 centimeters. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share. If you want any doubt, please comment on comment box. Thank you so much.